Let's have a look at political slogans and catchphrases used in Bengal over the years. We will start at around 1980s and look at the slogans in a chronological or near chronological manner till about 5 years back. The first one is Inqilab Zindabad. Now, Long Live Revolution has its own variant in almost every language. In Bengali, probably Bengalis have forgotten that Inqilab Zindabad is not a Bengali phrase at all. This Persian Urdu phrase Inqilab Zindabad has been adapted or rather adopted directly into Bengali, and it is used not only in political meetings and rallies but also in a plethora of other situations like Independence Day celebrations. The second one, Jobab Chai Jobab Dao. It's also quite a popular one. Now, Jobab comes from the Persian Urdu word Jawab. Jawab Chai Jawab Dao means we want answers, give us answers. We, the populace, want answers. You, the government authority, should give us answers. Cholche Cholbe literally means it's going on, it will go on. Now, this is generally used as part of a slogan. For example, something is going on, something will go on. For example, Amader Shongram Cholche Cholbe. Our struggle is going on, will go on. Its opposite one, Cholche Na Cholbe Na. Cholche Na Cholbe Na is probably the most popular, most evergreen political slogan used in Bangla politics. So Cholche Na Cholbe Na literally means it's not working, it will not work. But the subtext here is it means that whatever the ways of functioning of the government are is not working. People are not happy with it, and we will not allow it to go on. Now, this phrase "Kalo Haat Bhenge Dao Gudiye Dao," this has a pretty nice ring to it, and I used to chant this as a kid, obviously without understanding the meaning of it. So XX here stands for some entity, might be political, might be economical, some entity, some organization whose black hands are to be smashed. Now, Kalo Hath literally means black hands, but it implies corrupt hands. For example, one of the variants I have heard is Kol Maliker Kalo Hath Bhenge Dao Gudiye Dao. Kol Maliker Kalo Hath Bhenge Dao Gudiye Dao. That is, break the corrupt hands of the mill owners. Samrajyabad Nipat Jak. Let imperialism be destroyed. This is not at all commonly used, probably because it has very difficult sounding words. Now, Samrajyabad means imperialism, Nipat Jak means let it be destroyed. A more recent variant of this I have heard is Maulotabad Nipat Jak, which means let fundamentalism be destroyed. Ma Mati Manush, Ma means mother, Mati means soil, or it can imply Mother Earth, and Manush meaning people. This is not exactly a slogan but more of a catchphrase used in different sort of print media and all that. Poriborton na Prottaborton. This is not really used by the political parties much. It is more used by the media to describe the situation which existed during that election. So whether there would be whether the ruling party will return for a second term or rather for the next term, whether the ruling party will return for the next term. Return meaning Prottaborton, as compared to the new emerging party, whether it will replace the ruling party and there will be a change in the government. So change meaning Poriborton, that is the context in which this phrase was used. Finally, probably the longest and the funniest slogan in politics of Bengal is আমাদের দাবি মানতে হবে নইলে গদি ছাড়তে হবে আমাদের দাবি মানতে হবে নইলে গদি ছাড়তে হবে which means fulfill our demands or resign আমাদের দাবি means our demands মানতে হবে means you have to accept নইলে otherwise godi chharte hobe godi means a cushiony chair but here it implies a cushy position chharte hobe is you have to leave so either you have to meet our demands or you have to leave your position or chair